folks, Issac Martinez here with Blake Full and Water Dodge here in Eastland, Texas, and I'm going to show you guys a quick how-to video on how to pair your phone to the UConnect systems within the Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram vehicles. Alrighty folks, so first and foremost, you want to make sure that you actually have your Bluetooth on whichever device you may have, be it an iPhone or an Android. Just make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. First and foremost, you can just hit this phone button icon and it'll say that there's no phone paired, and you'll hit yes here and it'll show up on the bottom. Just make sure that the name that shows up is matching to what's on the screen. You can just click it on your phone. It'll take it a couple seconds. Make sure that the pins line up, hit pair yes, and then you will allow it to sync your contacts and favorites. That'll normally take a few seconds in a couple of minutes for it to be able to fully sync your entire contact list. Hit OK here, and then you're going to use Apple CarPlay. That way it'll show up and boom, it is connected there. And the cool thing about that is it'll actually make it the favorite. That is how you can pair your phone up to your radio screen. If you guys have any more questions or concerns, feel free to give me a shout at 254-434-7212 or stop by here at 9610 Interstate Highway here in Eastland, Texas.